Welcome to this detailed review of Serenic Navigator, the accounting software designed to meet the unique needs of nonprofits and public sector organizations. In this video, we'll explore its features, user interface, performance, and how it stands out among other accounting solutions in the market. Serenic Navigator prides itself on its comprehensive suite of tools for grant management, budgeting, fund accounting, and donor tracking, all seamlessly integrated to provide a holistic financial management experience. We start with an overview of its interface. Serenic Navigator offers a clean, intuitive layout designed for professionals who need efficiency and reliability. Navigating through its features is straightforward, with customizable dashboards that allow users to focus on critical metrics like fund balances and financial reports. Next, we delve into the standout feature, fund accounting. Serenic Navigator excels in managing multiple funds with precision, ensuring compliance with nonprofit regulations and public sector standards. Its grant management module simplifies the tracking of grants, including reporting and compliance, making it invaluable for organizations relying on external funding. Budgeting is another area where Serenic Navigator shines. The software enables users to set up detailed budgets, monitor variances in real time, and make informed decisions. Its forecasting capabilities provide insights into future financial health, which is critical for long-term planning. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check them out after watching the full review to explore additional tools that can complement your accounting journey. Continuing with the features, Serenic Navigator's donor management functionality is designed to help nonprofits maintain strong relationships with their donors. The system offers detailed profiles, contribution histories, and automated acknowledgement capabilities, ensuring a professional and personalized approach to donor engagement. One notable aspect of Serenic Navigator is its integration with Microsoft Dynamics 365. This connection allows for enhanced collaboration, scalability, and access to Microsoft's extensive ecosystem of business tools. Despite its robust capabilities, Serenic Navigator does have a learning curve, particularly for users unfamiliar with accounting software. However, the company offers extensive documentation, training sessions, and support to help new users get started. Overall, Serenic Navigator is a feature-rich, reliable solution for nonprofits and public sector organizations seeking advanced financial management tools. Its focus on compliance, accuracy, and efficiency makes it a worthy contender in the accounting software space. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insightful reviews on software and tools designed for professionals. Don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.